Hello students, it's Nazia Begum here, your physics lecturer, welcoming you all in today's lecture. So, now, today our topic is formation of image by a convex lens. In this, we have already discussed two cases. The first case was when the object was between optical center and focus, then the image was formed beyond f. It was magnified, virtual and erect. Okay, this was the first case, and in this case the convex lens can be used as magnifying glass. After that we have also discussed second case when the object was at focus, and when the object was at focus the image was formed at infinity. Now today we are going to discuss the third case here, when the object is between f and 2f. Okay, now we have moved our object a little bit more on the left hand side. Okay, initially our object was here between f and c, then we put our object on f. Now it is beyond f, okay, between f and 2f. So in this case also you can see that from the top point of our object, point A, two rays are emerging out, okay, and one ray AD is parallel to principal axis, so after refraction it is passing through focus. Another ray AC is going through optical center, so it is traveling without refraction, okay, in a straight line path. Both the rays are meeting at a point on the right hand side beyond 2f, okay, and because both the rays are meeting at the downside of the principal axis, so here you can see one inverted image is formed. Okay, both the rays are actually meeting here, so that's why image is real, inverted and magnified. So this is the third case of formation of image in convex lens. Now in fourth case, the object is at 2f. Okay, so here again you can see when the object is at 2f, two rays are emerging out from the object. AD is parallel to principal axis. After refraction it is passing through focus. AC, because it is passing through optical center, so it will go in a straight line without any deflection. Now students, you might have noticed that in all the diagrams we are simply following the formation of rules of formation of image by lens. Okay, only the position of the object has changed, but the rules are same, and by following the rules we are getting the images at different places and of different sizes. Now when the object is at 2f, you can see that image also will be at 2f only, okay, and it will be of the same size as the object, and the image will be inverted. Whenever the image is real, it will always be inverted, okay, only the virtual image is erect, real image is always inverted. And when the object is at 2f, image also will be at 2f. This is the fourth case. Then case 5, when the object is beyond 2f. So here you can see in this diagram the object AB is beyond 2f. Okay, from the top point of the object, from point A, two rays are emerging out. Ray AD is parallel to principal axis, so after refraction it is passing through focus, and second ray AC is passing through optical center in a straight line. Both the rays are meeting at a point between f and 2f. Okay, now you might have noticed that this is just the opposite situation of case 3. In case 3 what happened? The object was between f and 2f. Okay, in case 3 the object was here between f and 2f, and the image was formed here beyond 2f. Now in this case just opposite situation is there. The object is beyond 2f and the image is formed between f and 2f. This image is real, inverted, and the size is smaller than the object, so it is diminished. Okay. Then we have the sixth and last case of formation of image by convex lens. Here we place the object at infinity. If the object is so far from the convex lens that we can imagine that object is at infinity, so that time two parallel rays are coming towards the lens. See, whenever in the case, in second case, when the object was at focus, so that time we were getting two refracted ray. Let me show you that. Okay, so this was our case 2 when the object was at focus, and after refraction the rays become parallel to each other, and we have imagined that they will meet somewhere in infinity. Okay, so when the object was at f, the image was formed at infinity. Now just opposite case will be here. When after refraction the rays become parallel, so we imagine that the rays are meeting at point infinity. So when the object is at infinity, we will imagine that two parallel rays are coming from the object. So here you can see one ray is AD, second ray is AC. Okay, two parallel rays are coming. So after refraction, AD is passing according to rule of formation of image by convex lens, but because it is not parallel to principal axis, that's why it is not passing through focus but through some other point. And C is passing through optical center AC, that's why it is going straight without any change in its path. Both the rays will meet at a point F. Okay, and there we will get our real, inverted, and highly diminished image, because the object is so far, it is at infinity, so that's why the image will be highly diminished. Very small size of image will be formed here. So here also we can say that it is the opposite case. When the object was at F, image was formed at infinity. So just opposite, when the object is at infinity, the image will formed at focus. Okay, so these are the 6 cases of formation of image by convex lens. Out of these 6 cases, the first case where the object was placed between C and F, that case is very important. Okay, because in that case we can use convex lens as magnifying glass. Okay, now these other cases are used in other instruments which you are going to study in higher classes, and for this class you have to be very cautious about the first case. Okay, and you should know how the image is formed in all the cases. Now after that, let's see this table. Okay, so the heading is written here, summary of the images formed by a convex lens. So here in case of convex lens we had 6 cases. According to that cases we have made one table in which 4 columns are there. In the first column we have written position of object. In second column the heading is there, position of image. Third column will tell us about the size of image, and the last column will tell us about the nature of image. Okay, so in the first case the object was between F and lens. Okay, between focus and optical center. So that time position of image was on the same side as object. Okay, size of image was enlarged, nature of image was virtual and erect. This is the one and only case in convex lens when we will get the virtual image. When the object is between C and F, that time we will get virtual image. In all other cases we will get real and inverted image only. Okay, then when the object is at focus, image will be at infinity, it will be highly enlarged. When the object is between F and 2F, image will be beyond 2F, it will be enlarged. Fourth case, when the object is at 2F, image also will be at 2F and it will be same size as the object. Okay, beyond 2F, the position of image will be between F and 2F. It is fifth case is just opposite to third one. Okay, and the size will be diminished. Sixth case, when the object is at infinity, the image will be at f, at focus. Sixth case is opposite to the fourth one. Here size of image will be highly diminished. Okay, now use of convex lens. Convex lenses are used in spectacles to correct the defect of vision called hypermetropia. Okay, hypermetropia, in this uh, defect of vision, a person can see the far object but cannot see the nearby object. So uh, to cure this type of problem, we use lenses made of convex lens, spectacles made of convex lens. Second, convex lens is used for making a simple camera because convex lens is converging lens. It converge or focus all the rays at one point only. Because of this quality, it is used in cameras. Convex lens is used as a magnifying glass or magnifying lens. Okay, so palmists, watchmakers, dentists, and jewelry designers, they all need this type of glasses. Then fourth, convex lenses are used in making microscopes, telescopes, and slide projectors. Okay, or film projectors. So this is it about the convex lens. In next lecture, we will study about the concave lens. So see you in next lecture. Till then, goodbye. Take care, do some productive work, and the most important thing, be healthy, be safe.